Bike culture on campus is pretty great.
So this is my bike. We're at the Handlebar.
The Handlebar is the volunteer-run bike co-op.
I'm fixing the back derailleur. It's currently rubbing, so I'm just getting it so it's good to go.
They will volunteer a few hours of their time per week to help Dickinson students, faculty, alumni who have problems with their bikes, and they will help teach them how to fix them themselves so that when they leave they have not just a fixed bike but the knowledge of how to fix it themselves next time.
It's not just about fixing bikes, it's about teaching people to fix bikes.
I just love that in an age of technology and everything being online, there's this space on campus where you just get to express your mechanical skills.
It gives people a lot more access to a job that's further away, getting to class quicker, to getting everywhere more economically, more environmentally friendly way.